So you might be thinking, Keone, what's going on? You got this truck here. What's going on with that truck, Keone? Well, what's going on with that trailer? What? Why do you have a trailer? Well, the channel has a new friend, as I may say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this trailer hooked up, and I guess you'll just have to see. And just waiting on a couple buddies right now. They're gonna come and give me a hand, and we're gonna go pick up the surprise. I'm excited. Alright, we are here. We are here to pick it up. What is it? What do we got? It's the moment we've all been waiting for. What did you get? What did you get, Keone? What was that? I saw you had a trailer. What'd you get? What'd you do, Keone? Without further ado.
Porsche. There is no substitute.
I know. Some of you are thinking, why? Why did you do it? What was the reason? Why do you need that? It's ugly. It's dumb. Motherfucker, it's a Porsche. And I don't care what kind of Porsche you have, if you do or don't, I got a Porsche now, alright? So let me just be like, it's a Porsche. Disregard that the engine's in the front. It says it's a Porsche. So I got it. Yeah. Now, you might be asking, what's the goal? Why did you get it? What's the point? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with it? Let me tell you. This unit right here is gonna be the channel's race car, right? I'm talking no holds bar race car, okay? The old man told me, listen, I got it last fall and I had plans on doing a whole bunch of stuff with it, blah, 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 blah. Long story short, he bought it from the guy. The guy more than likely gave him the rundown. Old man Jenkins probably thought that, okay, this is a little bit too much of an undertaking for me. Not to mention, I'm looking for a 914. Not a 944, I just bought it off of a whim. Okay, well, here I am. I'm gonna buy it off of a whim. So I'll take it. I never thought I would own a Porsche 944, but here we are. Today's a new day, and well, I own a Porsche 944. So, yeah. My uncle, he is super big into Porsche 944s, so he's actually going to be helping me out with this. We are definitely going to go through with making it, you know, starting off as an autocross car. It's going to take a little bit, but not for you guys. You guys just get to watch as it's released. I also, you know, I obviously have other obligations and other project cars, so this one's gonna take some time to get to that point, but the main goal right now for this next month is well, it runs great, but it won't go into gear. So I was told it's the slave cylinder, potentially could be the master cylinder. So I ordered a slave cylinder, that's on the way, that'll be here in a couple days. I'll do a video doing that, how it's all done, blah, blah, blah. I know there's a bunch of it out there, but we haven't seen it on this channel. No, we haven't, Keone. So we're going to throw it on here. And, I mean, whatever questions you guys have, or if you have any information at all about what I should look for on these, please go ahead, leave a comment on what exactly I should do first. Leave a comment on, you know, what I should do with it. Should I make it an autocross car? Should I make it a rally car? Pretty big into rally. That would be sweet. I do really want a rally car, so that's a potential. Yeah, we got some things in store for this thing. Obviously, we're gonna need some fabrication. The body underneath is not rusted at all. It's only the rockers, which I keep hearing is surprising because they're supposed to be super good. So I'm assuming somebody just had a salt shaker and just fucking flaked the bake out of them, and then decided to just, you know, water it down with a little hose. So that's that. We got a Porsche now, so let's do Porsche things. The purists are gonna hate this. We're gonna love it, right? Yeah, the purists. Sorry. I'm gonna take care of her. I'm gonna take care of her. I'm not gonna be a dick about it. Okay, I'm not gonna be a dick about it. It's gonna be great. Everything's gonna be done right as Porsche putting, you know, a engine in the front. So if you talk smack, get back. Or let's talk on the track. Yeah. I'll take this thing on the track. It can't shift right now, and let's see what's up, huh? Come and talk to me at the track. You know what I'm saying? On the whoop whoop. Yeah. So yeah, just a little introduction for that. Cap's Garage. Peace.